Yeah. What's your feedback to the conference that was held over here today?
Well, I think it was a great initiative by Bristol Somali Youth Network. It's really sorely needed in Bristol. There's a lot of energy, a lot of creativity from young people from Somali background now, and I think from my point of view, from my role in Ujima Radio and representing the voluntary sector, I had loads and loads of conversations with young people saying how they're really interested, not just in the music side of things, but also learning about journalism, getting involved in the production and the technical side of the work. I mean, fortunately, we've got a young Somali lad looking after our website down at Ujima at the moment, so his friends were coming forward to say, wow, is this something we can get involved with? So I think an event like this is great, really, to get young people to see what the range of options and opportunities there are. Also to make sure that agencies understand there's actually this really rich vein of talent here in the Somali community that they really should not be ignoring. They need to think and find ways of actively engaging with that community for their own sake, because as I say, why would you want to lose such creativity and such energy?
Do you have Somali journalists that work on your radio?
We have some young people who are on the technical side in our radio station. So St Paul's inner city-based community radio station, but we are now having a conversation with the youth forum about looking at some media training. So we're looking to expand that, but not just music, but journalist, technical, and also web-based training.
Thanks so much.
No problem. Thank you. Cheers.